So, good day everyone. My name is Don Rainiel D. Mercado from the class of B4B, and I'm here to present to you the quiz 6 on our subject E-Elect. For our quiz 6, it is the same and similar for our quiz 5, but the only difference is that we will show you how to activate the LEDs and how will it react on the stop and start button. So for our diagram, as you can see, we are using PLC ladder diagram and we are using two PLC cards for input and output. As you can see, some labels are rearranged and it represents how the LED will react to our system when we start to operate with a system and when stopping it. And when the system starts the process, the green LED will lit up and also the red LED will be activated. And when the cylinder will extend, and when pressing the stop button, the green LED will also lit up, and the cylinder will be retracted. So now for our demonstration, as you can see, when we press the start button, the red LED will lit up, and then the cylinder will extend. And as we press the stop button, the green LED will lit up, and the cylinder will retract. So that ends the discussion and demonstration for our quiz 6. Thank you for watching.